commercial, huh? Say hi. Oh, my baby. He just woke up from his little nap. Yeah, you just woke up from your little nap. That's why his hair is all wild. We got the wild hair. We gotta. Oh, you tired. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update and where I have been, because I know I've been a little MIA over on like social media, and that is because I haven't been feeling my best. It has been hard having all the first trimester symptoms like nausea, morning sickness, dizziness, tiredness into the second trimester. I'm 21 weeks pregnant and I still feel like that. Not as bad though, it has gotten a lot easier. So that is why today I just woke up, like I got ready for the day and it felt really good, and I've just been taking care of my baby. So whenever I have any day, yes mi amor, whenever I'm feeling better, like I just want to cuddle and play with him all day long. Right now he's like at my favorite stage. I always say that as he gets older, but like he is so cute. He's like babbling a lot, saying mama, saying all these cute little words that is his own language, and he's playing a lot. He's crawling, which has been a little bit harder to keep up with, but he's crawling, like trying to climb up things, trying to push himself up, and he has one tooth that popped out and another one that's coming in. So, you know, I definitely have my hands full, and it's definitely been wonderful seeing him grow, and I just love it so much. We just like cuddle, yes mi amor, and play all day. I call him my little koala baby because he is literally like attached to my hip at all times. So today I want to share with you guys what's going on with the playroom. I did talk about it over on Instagram, and a lot of you guys were a little bit more interested in it because you want to do something similar, and then there's been a lot of people who just don't think a playroom is necessary, which, you know, it's totally up to you. Whatever works for you and your family, your household, and your lifestyle is what you should do. So I did want to talk about it a little bit more. To be honest, I didn't think that we were going to get a playroom or start on one in our house until our babies were way older, like maybe a couple years, like 1 or 2 years, until both of them are. But I am 21 weeks pregnant. This baby is coming really fast. It's just flying by because I'm so into like playing with Benji and watching him grow, and at the same time, like, of course I'm getting bigger, and just now it's like hitting me like, oh my goodness, I am more than halfway through my pregnancy, and it's been crazy. I haven't documented it as much as I documented Benji, but that's because I had all the time in the world. With Benji I was able to like sleep in and like take pictures and get ready, and now, you know, my attention is all my baby. With this pregnancy, it's just like going by so fast. I did want to share with you guys what we're doing to our playrooms. Here in the living room is where we spend most of our time, and right now it's not really an issue. Like, we can keep up with him. He's going all over the place and we're like chasing after him, making sure he's not hurting himself or getting into things that he's not supposed to. We started baby proofing the room a little bit, but I don't know how to baby proof everything completely. And a lot of you guys suggested to get like a play area where it has like a fence, not necessarily like a fence, but that's like safe for babies, and like a mat. But the thing is, we cannot contain him in one area. Like, he wants to explore, he wants to like get up on things, he wants to like leave the room, and we have an open concept floor plan on the first floor. So my concern is that when this baby is born, I'm going to be nursing my newborn, taking care of them by myself, and then Benji is going to be learning either how to walk by then, or he's going to be cruising around like the furniture, and I can't be like holding my little newborn and running after him. So we decided to convert the office where my office is at into the playroom area. It's a huge mess in there. We're trying to move things around, so it is like a complete mess. I need to go ahead and organize this, declutter it, like take things out. His new stroller over there for him and the baby, and then we have just like a bunch of other stuff that we need to get rid of, move around. We're going to make this area the playroom because it's so close to the kitchen, which I love, and then that way when I'm here I could still keep my eye on them, make sure that everything's okay, and when I'm nursing I can go ahead and be over there because going up and down the stairs is just too much. Benji, what are you doing, baby? So this is what my living room looks like now. We have like his play mat, which I plan to get like 2 of these to put in the playroom, so he's not like on hardwood floors, and also put like a rug on top of that or something. And then we moved these couches from that formal living room over here. So we got rid of the couches that were here. If you guys remember, they were like a darker color. They were like a dark gray. And since these are newer and nicer, we just put them over here. And then the formal living room is just kind of empty. empty for the time being. And here is where my office is going to be. Right, Gingy? Yeah? Who's a cute girl? Who's a cute Gingy? You're so good. When Benji is mobile, she like runs away because he'll start grabbing her. She's smart. She's like, you know what? I'll just keep my distance for now. Benji is down for his nap and I'm just cleaning up here. I want to share with you guys some inspiration and some things that I'm going to have in the playroom, which I'm so excited about. I told Ricardo, I'm like, this is almost like another excuse just for me to decorate another room. I just love decorating, even though we have so many more rooms in the house that need to be done. But I really want to get that playroom finished just because this pregnancy is going by so incredibly fast that I feel like the baby's gonna be here before I know it. And there's still so many things on my list that I want to do. Like I want to have a baby shower, Benji's first birthday. We're doing renovating the backyard, which that is such an exciting project, but it's a little stressful. And then just gathering like everything for the baby. So I want to show you guys like where the inspiration came from. So I was scrolling through Instagram and I follow Urban Walls, and they are the same company that does the decals that I have in my glam room. And it's just like a bunch of like beautiful like florals and peonies, which are my favorite type of flowers. And so I was scrolling through there and I saw this picture and I just like fell in love with how it looks. And let me show you guys. Do you see like the bohemian like palm leaves? I think those are so pretty and I just love how it looks. It looks so neutral and pretty, and that is the theme that I'm going for. So I want like a really big like neutral wooden sign that says Benji and the other baby's name's Playroom. I don't have a name, so we're still deciding on what name we're going to name our baby. But I really want that done. And I was about to say Apollo because the name is Polly Mom, but I follow, I think the shop name is the Polymath Mom. And so I am going to have her make like a huge wooden sign, which I'm so excited about, with that wallpaper in the back. We might have to paint it a little bit lighter than what it is right now. It's like a dark gray. But I also went to Target and I found a bunch of really cute stuff. And what inspired me to get these things is this right here. Is this not the cutest thing ever? Oh my goodness, I think this is adorable. I love this. It's just like neutral, but it's fun. It's a cute little lion. And if you guys have the koala at your store, like I would pay for you to like pick it up and ship it over to me, and I would pay you double. So just so I could have the koala. I looked everywhere. I even went on eBay to try and like, I didn't even care if I had to pay a little bit more for it, like, and I could not find it. But there's a koala version of this and I'm dying to get my hands on it. Like I signed up to like get notified if it comes back in stock, but I can't find it anywhere. And then I got the basket. Look how cute. It's so cute with the little ears. So I couldn't find the lion, but the lion always comes back in stock. So hopefully I can get the lion, my hands on the lion, and the koala. And then what else do I want to get? I want to get like a wooden, I think it's called like the wooden triangles. Is it a wooden triangle? It like helps them like pick themselves up and like stand up, and then as they're cruising around the room, like that's something they can hold on to, and then later on as they grow, like they can climb on it. I don't know what it's called, but I'm trying to get that too, but that is just so expensive. But I feel like that would be such a good toy to have in the room to keep him busy and entertained. And then I'm just trying to find like other stuff, but so far that's what I have. I'm so excited, guys. You guys have no idea. Just like to have that room ready and finished, so as soon as the baby's here, like I can just relax and not have to worry about that room. Like that's one thing that I notice about having a baby is like you have to be like 10 steps ahead of things, like even with our routine, or like with what he's gonna eat for the week, or like I prep his meals. They're so easy because they're purees, but like I prep his meals like so far in advance and I freeze them. I make sure that like if we're gonna go out, like we have the day planned, and like I'll make sure to like as soon as he wakes up from like his nap, then I'll like get him ready and get myself ready so we're not late for like doctor's appointments or anything like that, just because I get so stressed out when like I'm running last minute trying to do things and being late to things. So it just helps out a lot. Or if we have somewhere to be, you know, it just makes planning easier. And I feel relaxed throughout the day and I enjoy it instead of like stressing about little things like that. So I am so excited. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. I am going to mop, and this is like my favorite mopping system because it's not like super tedious to do and it spins itself. Okay, I have to make sure that it was on there, but it's pretty cool. I found it on Amazon and it had really great reviews. When I was pregnant, really big, like in my 3rd trimester with Benji, I couldn't bend over and mopping was so hard for me, but this made it so much easier. So then you just go ahead and put it here and then you put it here to spin. And then you're ready to mop. It is so easy. You just lock it into place. We've had this since Benji was born. It was given to us at the hospital. We got to choose between like a car seat or a playpen, and this is what we chose. He can only stay in here for like 5-10 minutes and then he wants to be out, but it's really helpful when I'm in the kitchen. I don't want him to get into anything. And then I put all of his loud battery toys in here and it keeps him occupied for a little bit. These just drive me nuts, so I usually don't have him play with him unless I really need to do something to distract him. I just got done mopping and oh my goodness, it really wore me out. Like I am so out of shape, but I mopped the entire first floor. It felt great. We try to do it at least once a week, if not twice, because he's getting into everything now. But I'm going to make us some lunch, and usually what I like to do is I'll make my lunch or I'll make my food and then I simplify what I have for Benji with like simple ingredients. So for example, right now I'm just gonna make myself a boiled egg sandwich. So what I'm gonna do for him is just like grab the boiled egg and then smash it in a plate, and then I'll add a little bit of yogurt, the whole Greek yogurt, whole plain Greek yogurt, and then that'll be his lunch. And then for mine, I will add like mayonnaise, put it in a sandwich, add like spinach and all that stuff. So yeah, I just always like simplify his things, and it's made feeding him a lot easier. If I'm eating something that has something that I don't usually give him, I just have a bunch of food in the freezer that I have ready for him, and I'll show you. For example, I freeze them in here and then I'll transfer them into like these bags. So over here we have green beans, and then I made, this is cucumber, and then in here I have apples, spinach, and kale. So I'll transfer them to these bags over here. Benji's, look how cute Benji's plate is. Isn't that adorable? And for some reason, I have a craving for popcorn. Those are gonna be my chips. I always have to have something crunchy with what I eat, like if it's a sandwich or something. I'm sure that's most people. Oh, I think I overcooked them. When I overcook them, that's when they don't like peel off easily. When the shell does not peel off easily, like it drives me nuts. So this is just plain yogurt, so that way there's like nothing is added on there, like no sweeteners or anything. So I can add this to a lot of like different recipes that I think might be too dry for him to like. So here is my lunch. I have the egg salad, I guess, like just boiled egg with mayonnaise and spinach and a little bit of salt. And then I have my favorite drink, which I have been loving because pop is just not my favorite. I don't know why I don't drink pop. Like it's awesome with certain foods like pizza or like a carne asada, but this is so much better to me. And then popcorn. I just have been loving popcorn. And then this is Benji's food. We just have the boiled egg with a little bit of plain Greek yogurt and his little cup of water, which he is going to drink out of. We're practicing how to drink out of cups. Delicious. You're eating really fast. Want some water? Good job. I'm so happy you like the eggs, baby. We are doing a little shopping. Yeah, Pumpkin? He's doing so good. He's so cute. Say hi, babies. Stuff out. We are back home now. I went ahead and I took a really nice body shower. It felt really great, especially after being outside for a while. But I wanted to end the vlog here, and I want ideas from you guys. So if you guys have a playroom, tell me what were like your kids' favorite toys, especially being so little, like toddlers, because we do plan to have it all done by the time the baby arrives, which will be in August. So by that time Benji will already be a year old, and so like things that help entertain your little baby, your toddler. If you have a Montessori theme going on or Montessori type of playroom, I would love to hear your thoughts on that too, to see which toys you guys recommend, or activity centers or anything like that. That would be awesome. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.